Okay, show me how to do it. Ava, back up so I can see you. Ava, sit there. Okay, try again, Goofy. You're so funny. Okay. Let's see. Sit still. You did it before, you gotta do it again. Okay, try again. The tape is gonna run out. Come on. Get it quick, come on, quick. I'm gonna flatten it out and then blow it and put some bubble air in it. Oh, all right. Whoa! Okay.